This Century 21 Sterling Realty property video is presented by Wendy Musselman. Peaceful. This quaint cottage would make the ideal weekend getaway. Experience living in the treetops with wood siding and 2 porches with glorious views. An open floor plan makes this home feel spacious. There is a first floor bedroom and a loft for additional sleeping or storage. Set up your tour and let your imagination run. For more information, review the details below or contact Wendy Musselman at 304-263-2121.